Okay, little fella, here's your prescription.
Okay, boy.
It'll make you feel brand new.
What do you say we have some fun?
Go outside.
It's time to stop.